Hey YouTube, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. In this video I will show you a super easy way to change the initial hello of the RC8X, this awesome new radio, from something like this
Welcome to Radiolink
to something much cooler like this or that or whatever sound you like. And I will do this without any programming in the radio. The RC8X is able to assign sounds to every task and function. You can assign your customized sounds to whatever first gear, second gear, and you have to program this in your radio. But I won't show this to you in this video, and I will not do this. I don't really like a talking radio very much. I use it a little bit in my helicopters and planes for the timer, 1 minute left, 30 seconds left, 10-9, and for the helicopters in the flight modes. But normally I prefer silence, so I won't show this to you. I will show in this radio to you an easy way to change only the greeting, the hello, and therefore you don't have to program anything in the radio. Therefore, I take out the micro SD card. You could also connect the RC8X by USB-C cable to your computer. I prefer the way with the micro SD card to take it out. The most difficult thing in this super easy operation is to get sound files of appropriate format. You cannot use any sound file, you cannot use MP3 files, you have to use WAV files, but there are tons of free MP3 to WAV converters online. You will find one, but then you have to convert this WAV file to the following formats. You can see this here. That's a normal sound file I did already convert to WAV, and normally they do have 44.1 kHz sample rate, 16-bit resolution, and normally those files are stereo. But you have to convert it to 32 or 16 kHz sample rate, 16-bit resolution, and mono. The Radiolink radio will not recognize a stereo file. And you can do it with every software you can get. I really can't give you any recommendation because I can't really give you a recommendation for free sound software because I use a lot of sound software and all those are not free, but you will for sure find any software in the internet. And that way I made 3 small sound files. I call all of those hello. That one, that's a hello in my slang. Even Germans won't understand it, but you can also use cooler things if you want. And I hope YouTube will not block this video or that. Yeah, that's perfect for a radio if YouTube doesn't block it. And those are now in the correct format. And I will exchange the welcome to Radiolink file simply by one of those files. And therefore I will now insert the micro SD card to my computer. You can also use the USB cable to connect your Radiolink directly to your Windows computer. And here it pops up. And that's now the RC8X. I've updated it to the latest firmware now, late February 2023. It's 1.1.3. And here you can see several files, orders with files. You go to sounds. And you do not go to user, you go to system. And here you have Chinese and English. And you go to English. And there are user units, telemetry, prompt number. You have to go to prompt. And here you search for the hello file. Here it is, the hello file. Welcome to Radiolink, yes. And we will not delete it, we will copy it. Oop, this was not good. Okay. And here I have now the original hello and the copy. And now I take my 3 files I made. That's why I call them all hello, so that they will appear right beside the original file. I copy those and paste them in the folder. Okay. And now we have here, come on, where's hello, 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 the original hello, the copy. So if I remove the copy, it will work again. I have the hello there and the Shakespeare Sisters, hello, hello, and of course Guns N' Roses. And I will simply copy hello there now, paste it, and now I have a hello there copy, and I will delete the original hello now, but there is still a copy. Yes, I want to delete it. Come on. And now let's take the hello there. Oh, I think it's not important, capital or not, but who knows. So that's it. And now take the SD card. I safely remove it. And we will see. So I simply insert the micro SD card now. So you have to insert it upside down. I didn't check this initially. And what will happen now? Nah, there. Isn't that cool? And if I wanna use another file, I simply again take the SD card and let's go to the computer. Insert the card. Go again to sounds. System, not user, English. Come on. Prompt. And come to the hellos. This hello is now there. Let's delete it. Yes. What's up here? And let's change it to the Shakespeare Sisters. Let's copy those. Shakespeare Sisters copy. Hello. And safely remove. Okay. Insert the micro SD again. Okay, but that's no good quality of the mic, of the loudspeaker. Come on, that's not good. Very tiny speaker. Maybe you should reduce the volume. Wow, what a background noise. Okay, it works, but not a very good sound quality. And finally, let's also check Guns N' Roses. Insert the SD card again. Sounds, system, English, prompt, and hello. We don't want this hello now anymore. Yes, let's delete it. And let's take Guns N' Roses and check if the sound is that bad too. Let's rename it. Hello. Remove it. And let's insert it again. and hope that Guns N' Roses sounds better. Not really good quality. Yeah, that's better than the Shakespeare Sisters. And if you wanna get back to the factory settings file, then again, super simple. Take out the SD card or connect it by USB. And sounds, system, English, prompt, hello. Let's delete this hello. Yes. And let's change the name of, yes, welcome to Radiolink, to hello again. And that's it. Take the card, insert it again, upside down, and welcome to Radiolink. That's not so cool. So, hope this helps if you want to record your own hello files. It's quite easy if you have the sound software that can do this. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. I'll be back.